for real. Don't watch snowfall a lot. Grew up watching Uncle Chill turning cocaine into rock. Really in this shit for real. Don't watch snowfall a lot. Grew up watching Uncle Chill turning cocaine into rock. Really in this shit for real. Don't watch snowfall a lot. Watching Uncle Chill turning cocaine into rock. Say she with my ass. Can't get no name to the.
Man, it's gonna be our first full production of Fluffies and Frenchies. I got the stud and the female. They both got perfect DNA, bro. They gonna hit. That boy Bentley gonna do his thing. We're gonna add that Maui line to this bitch. This bitch bad though. She got a big ass head. She got everything. To the right. Yeah. Oh man, I just got some bad news, man. So I just got a call from this old client of mine that they had bought this Frenchie. It was a couple months ago. She was a real nice female, super small, man, compact. She wasn't a fluffy carrier. So yeah, long story short, the female died today, man. She just turned 7 months old. And she just passed away today. She told me she got sick for a day and just faded. Like, the dog was all healthy, man. That shit's crazy. I don't even know how that shit went down, bro, cause it really caught me off guard. I'm gonna show you the messages. So yeah, I really just woke up to that. I don't know, it just caught me off guard. I had a puppy die before that was 4 months old, but it wasn't nothing like this, because she was talking about it was throwing up. Mine had no symptoms of being sick, it just faded. So I don't know what happened, man. I just know. I know her pain, bro. That shit does suck. It is sad. God damn, man. Gonna get the day started. I'm finna show off the puppies. Man, it's been a crazy little journey with them. I'm gonna show off how they were as puppies and how they are now. Man, they're running it now and everything. They're thriving. They made it. I'm happy. Yeah, man, successful Chanel litter. They're gonna turn out badass, bro. I think I got like 3 I want to keep, man, but I got a lot of buyers, man, so. My problem might be choosing someone to sell my dogs to. I don't think my issue is gonna be trying to find a buyer, which is a good issue, because I want them to go to good homes, which is why I say that. So yeah. Here's a runt. She's the smallest female we have. She is available. She got a tail too, full tail. We got everything going on here. There's a male, there's a female right here on my left. This Merle boy is crazy. Maybe for sale for the right bag. For right now, this is my keeper. That female's for sale, man, let me know. Nothing's cheap, but I've had a lot of buyers, so just letting people know. Man, but look at the size difference on them. That female crazy, man. This female's nice and chunky. She's real nice. Real small. She's nice and fat. She ain't gonna be skinny and limpy. She's gonna be nice, small, compact. Good weight on her. Good bone. Good headpiece. That headpiece is half her body. Them legs, look at them, man. So good female right here. Solid. Foundation female for sure. They fighting. They fighting.
Look at that shit busting.
That shit busting.
You got the meat ready? Time to beat this meat, literally. Literally.
That is a little quick cookout before we get back to whelping these puppies. Yum. Delicious. Scrumptious.
Hey, who has to take shoes, stock X or go?
No.